Hey guys, I just wanted to come out here today to show you guys the replacement for my 95 Camry. I traded that in the other day, and now here is my new to me 2013 Honda Accord. This one is the EXL 4-cylinder without Navi. This one is in Basque Red Pearl, as you can see here. I just washed it yesterday, so it's pretty clean, and I hope to keep it that way. Also, sorry for the wind. I don't know how this video is going to turn out. If you can't hear anything, I'll probably end up redoing it at a later time. But yeah, I picked this up a couple days ago, replaced my 95 Camry. It was kind of an unexpected, oh shoot, I just tripped over the curb. Kind of an unexpected purchase. I didn't really plan to end up with this. What happened was we went to go look at a 14 Accord V6. That one was gray. It had 60,000 miles, but the dealership was trying to screw us over, and they were trying to charge us like $3,000 in, you know, ridiculous dealership fees, like, you know, VIN etching and a reconditioning fee. And so we went down the street and saw this, like I said, 13 Accord EXL. And when I originally called to take a look at this car, they told me that somebody was already taking a look at it, so I was kind of concerned that it was going to sell. And when we pulled up to the dealership, the people that were looking at this car left. So then I, you know, took it out for a drive. You know, I ended up really liking it, and we just went for it. We just went ahead and bought it because the people that went to look at this car right before me were actually going to come back that same night to buy it, and so we just decided to go for it. I didn't want this car to go to someone else. It was you know, right place, right time. It was a phenomenal price, so I had to do it. So yeah, go ahead and get in here. Smart key. All right. Oh yeah, it's got the memory seats. Go ahead and start it up here. And I have the radios. It had 68,000 miles on it when I picked it up. Now I'm at 68,215. Been driving it quite a bit. Yeah, like I said, it's your standard EXL without Navi. Connect that right now. It's got the 2-screen layout. You know, at first I wasn't too sure that I liked that, but it's really not as bad as I, you know, originally thought. It's fairly, you know, straightforward and simple to use. And yeah, you know, it's a 13 Accord EXL. It's I don't really have anything bad to say about it at the moment, you know, especially when you come from a 95 Camry that's just absolutely beat to hell and has a ton of issues. I can't really complain about it. Like I said, this is a very, very clean example of a 13 Accord. 68,000 miles. It's not really even, as you can see, the interior is in phenomenal shape. Back seat looks like it's never even been used. Yeah, it's just in phenomenal condition. Trunk here. I still got some things that I gotta organize, but there's that. And yeah, one thing that I'm honestly very pleased with is the gas mileage. So far I'm averaging about 28 miles per gallon, which is a pretty significant increase from my 95 Camry, which was averaging like 16, 17. And the other thing too is that this thing seems like it averages like, you know, 450 to 500 miles a tank. So I'm not going to complain about that either. So yeah, this is my my new ride. I will probably make an update video in a couple months when I grow more comfortable with it. Let you guys know if there's any complaints that I have. But for now, we'll go ahead and stick it in drive and go for a drive. Another thing too is that the reason why I was looking for a V6 Accord was because I wasn't sure that I wanted to own a car with a CVT. However, I've quickly learned that Honda CVTs are just, honestly, they're just phenomenal. I genuinely don't mind driving a CVT. With, you know, a majority of the driving that I do, it's just, it's perfect. It's perfect. It's not like Nissan CVTs that just freaking rev up to like 4,000 RPMs when you take off. This thing is just nice and smooth and quiet. Turn around up here. Don't want to get it dirty. This thing is just phenomenal. It is so smooth. Never thought I'd say it, but I kind of love the CVT. It suits this car very, very well. Here we go right. And yeah, that's about it. That kind of sums it up for now. I'm gonna pop out really quick. Yeah, this is my new to me 2013 Accord, and I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.